Welcome to Prabhat News of Prabhat Kids School. Prabhat Kids School is one of the most innovative schools in Maharashtra. On backdrop of COVID-19 and consequent lockdown, Prabhat has initiated an innovative online study program to impart quality education to its students.
Following the rules and regulations laid down by the government, Prabhat has consciously utilized e-platform and successfully consecrated a concept of e-school by organizing study, exams, interactive guidance sessions, cultural activities and complete list of programs. So, let's take a peep on the main highlights. Thousands of students performed yoga with Father and expressed their gratitude. Prabhatians utilized lockdown period to imbibe life skill activities. Prabhatians put brilliant scores in online exams. Prabhat conducted online mono act and poem presentation competition. Annual award function organized on July 5.
Yoga is essential for healthy life. Yoga is beneficial to boost our immune system, which is immensely required to tackle the threat posed by coronavirus. This year, as the 6th International Day of Yoga coincided with Father's Day, Prabhat celebrated both the days innovatively, coordinating a special Yoga with Father program. Thousands of students performed yoga with their fathers and expressed their gratitude for them. As directed by UGC and Fit India movement, students also watched the Yoga at Home, Yoga with Family program, which was telecast on national television. Again, most of the students watched the online yoga session on the national channel. Prabhat Kids had also shared videos of yoga performances on WhatsApp groups.
Corona pandemic put all of us indoor. Students' activities are restricted to their regular studies and their summertime hobbies. But this pursuit kept them aloof from learning practical skills. In view to enlarge students' canvas of activities, Prabhat launched Practical Life Skill Project, which received overwhelming response from students and parents. Large number of students engaged themselves in different household works. This program propelled students to participate in household chores. It helped them a lot in getting them respite from boredom imposed by lockdown, said one of the parents. Carefully prepared online program was commenced from March 28 for Standard 9th and 10th. Expanding its reach for Standard 6th to Standard 8th, their session began on April 7. During the complete month, students utilized their time for studies. After a month's vacation, when the academic session 2020-21 resumed online, Prabhat conducted first ever online test for Standard 6 to 10th in the first week of June. In this online exam, Prabhatians put a brilliant performance. 3 students from Standard 6, Om Dandge, Veer Goyanka, Suraj Mahisne individually achieved 97.50% and topped the ranking. Vallabh Khedkar, Chanakya Jhape and Sara Chaudhary individually achieved 95% marks and topped the Standard 7th ranking. Janvi Sathavne and Ojaswini Ambekar individually achieved 97.5% marks to top the Standard 8th ranking. Prathamesh Tandare achieved 95% marks and topped the ranking of Standard 9th, while Jay Jhape scored 100% marks to top the ranking of Standard 10th. Academic Director Kanchan Patokar, Principal Vrishali Wagmare, Vice Principal Archana Belsare and Coordinator Mohammad Asif congratulated the students for their brilliant success.
In view to give impetus to students' creativity, Prabhat Kids School organized an innovative Akola lockdown special online mono act and poem presentation competition on Sunday, June 7, 2020. The competition was held as a part of the World Environment Day. Prabhat students gave a spontaneous participation and exhibited their creative talents. From Group A, Swayam Avchar and Anvi Zaibai jointly won the first rank in the poem presentation competition. Swara Dandge and Sharayu Raut achieved the second rank, Parth Raut and Hansika Talramani got the third rank, while the consolation rank was bestowed on Gargi Bhavsar, Maheka Agrawal and Khushi Gandhi in the poem presentation. Purva Bali won the first rank in the mono act competition. Swayamav Char and Anvi Zaibai again achieved the second rank in the mono act competition. Krishnai Deshmukh and Arjun Chitlange got the third rank. The consolation rank was bestowed on Dehuti Bagde, Rajkumari Hanumante and Ananya Ranade. In Group B, Sharvari Tikar won the first rank in the poem presentation competition. Pranav Pise and Madhushri Dadvi jointly achieved the second rank. Ishwari Ingole and Krish Malpani got the third rank, while the consolation rank was bestowed on Kalyani Malkapurkar and Sharayu Chauhan. Shravani Kumkar won the first rank in the mono act competition. Ishwari Surke achieved the second rank. Sakshi Bule got the third rank, while the consolation rank was bestowed on Desha Maurya and Veda Khandekar.
Last academic session was abruptly closed due to the lockdown, and to students' dismay, annual award function got deferred. But now, Prabhat Kids School has come up with a special online award distribution ceremony. Total 21 individual awards with 6 group awards including Best House and Best Class will be conferred in this glittering ceremony. This program will definitely remind you of glimpses of actual school ceremony. This beautiful program will be available online on Sunday, July 5, 2020. So don't miss and enjoy the grand event. This is Tanishka Malve
And this is Sai Patil
signing off the news bulletin. Stay home, stay safe and be arduous with your studies.